So this video was actually filmed probably a year ago or so the context of things might be kind of weird. It's actually going to make a lot more sense if you watch the video that's right before this one. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you go back, watch that one. I kind of explain where I've been for the past year or so. I've been working on something behind the scenes, and so in this video, I actually talk about it just a little bit, but it doesn't make a lot of sense unless you watch the first one. So go ahead back and watch that one, and then yeah, let's go ahead and get on with this video. What's going on, y'all? Just your friendly neighborhood young Chevy truck trying to bring you guys another video today. And today we are testing out some Woodruff keys to see what works. Back to working on the motor, and we'll just see what happens. I got an assortment in the house, and we're gonna go ahead and do the math to see which ones in the assortment are actually just slightly bigger than the ones that I already have. And then we'll give those a try, and then if they work, then we'll move forward, and then you'll see some more videos coming out. It'd be funny if I just opened this and they flew all over the place. Jesus, who needs a Woodruff key this big, bro? Who needs that? What, probably a Cummins diesel or something? Alright, so we're gonna start with the 316 by 3/4 because that looks like the closest to what we have. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a spin and see what happens. Ooh, okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Well, what do you know? That's perfect. 316 by 3/4. Woodruff key is perfect. Well, dang. I just made this whole situation out to be stressful when this looks like it's gonna work. So let's just keep working. Cool. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. That's what I wanted to see this whole time. These ain't going anywhere at all, and that is what I'm wanting to see.
Yeah, last bit I'm gonna have to hammer, but that is what I wanted to see though. Cool. Woodruff keys on. Woodruff keys are on. And so once again, this is what worked. 316 by 3/4 from this kit that I bought off of Amazon, which was expensive. But like I said, when I did the math, like I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been looking at this kit for like probably like a couple weeks now, you know, like I had it, but when I did the math, that one had the closest ballpark numbers to what the stock replacement claimed to be. The stock replacement size that everyone claimed for a Woodruff key to be for a small block Chevy, this kit was the closest to that, so that's why I bought it, and regardless of how expensive it was. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna chop these videos up because I need to get multiple videos out. I can't just do the whole, you know, one long video thing and risk kind of losing video opportunities, because, you know, the more videos means we go places. So just like that, y'all, I think this one's pretty much over. But yeah, things are gonna be kind of different this year, I gotta be honest with you, because I'm crossing into a whole different territory and like a whole different field of work. So it's gonna be a field of work that like I'm not really used to, because I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm a very introverted person. I don't spend a lot of time talking to people all the time. One of those people who, like, I can be alone for a while, like, and I'm kind of cool with it, because, I don't know, my social battery gets drained very quickly. So to cross into a territory where I'm going to have to step out of that, it is going to be good, because, you know, I told myself I was going to be more social this year. So it is going to be constructive for me, but it is going to be a little bit different to be in a field of work where I have to be social. So either way, y'all, things are about to be different this year. You know, in a way, I'm kind of going to have to take one step back to move 3 steps forward, sort of, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I think in order to get the result that I really want to get, I'm going to have to switch up my approach in terms of how I make my money, because more money means that we can put more projects together and make this happen a little bit easier. So just stay tuned, y'all. I'll let y'all know what I'm up to eventually, but I like to settle in, you know, and hunker down and get accustomed before I start talking about what I got going on. So just like that, y'all, I think this one's pretty much over. I really appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next one, and have a good one.